Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like always, thank you so much for tuning in again. And today we're going to be talking about something near and dear to my heart because you guys know that as soon as Anastasia Beverly Hills releases anything, I run out and get it at the store before it hits Sephora and Ulta. And I'm a little late because I picked this up once it hit the store, the ABH store in Beverly Hills. I just didn't have the time to do the YouTube video. But I did post swatches of it on Instagram a week or two ago. I'm not sure, but definitely head over there if you guys want to see swatches. But today we're going to be talking about we're going to talk all about the Dream Glow Kit. This is brand new. This is the newest glow kit to Anastasia. And we're just going to be talking all about it. We're going to be talking about size comparisons and we're going to be putting this bad boy on my face. The only shade that I've actually really played around with here is Regal. And I actually really like it. So I'm really excited to play with all of the other shades. And I also picked up the brush. So right now what they're having on the ABH website is if you buy the Dream Glow Kit, you get their A23 brush, which is just a really famous contour and highlight brush for $10. And usually this bad boy goes for $25, so that is a steal. So definitely pick it up if you want to pick it up there so you can get a new little highlighting brush. This one applies perfect amount and it just doesn't leave a lot of like fallout and it just doesn't make a big mess. So I really like brushes like this. I'm not really a fan of like the traditional like these here. I really don't like these. These are not something that I usually wear or I use on my face. I always go for something like this. Like Morphe has really good options. The Real Technique one is amazing and ColourPop's is really nice too. So definitely go ahead and pick that up. Let's go ahead and talk about this because this is something that I just want to get into the swatches, but let's get to talking about it first. So this retails for $45 if I'm not mistaken. I have my phone here. Let me pull it up. It retails for $45 and it has 6 pans. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys a quick size comparison. So this is Dream Glow Kit. It is the same size as the collaboration with Nicole Guerrero that they did a while back. So if you have this one's going to be about the same size pans, same amount of product. And I also wanted to compare it to the first one that they released that was in this like bigger packaging. So this is the Glow Kit, Ultimate Glow Kit, and what I was noticing is that these pans are a lot bigger. I'm not sure if you can tell, but they are definitely a bit bigger than these. So their original was tad bit bigger, but you know, I haven't gone through this one at all. Like I never go through any of my glow kits. And lastly, I just wanted to show you guys compared to like a regular glow kit with the 4 pans. Definitely gonna be bigger just because you do only get 4 pans, but this is just what it looks like, just so you guys can have some reference. So if you have anything like this, these pans are definitely going to be smaller. This goes hand in hand with the Aurora Glow Kit or with the Moonchild Glow Kit. It kind of sticks to this like unicorn and very like festival-ish type vibes. I feel like these colored highlighters are all the rage right now. Everybody loves wearing the pinks, the purples, everything with the duochrome flip. I actually love it. I'm a big fan myself. So let's talk about formula. The formula of these is actually very pigmented. It doesn't, I don't want to say that they're not okay. So it's a little hard to describe these just because they are a little bit more glittery than the other ones, but they have such a strong reflex that it just kind of like helps it flip and like it helps that like when you tilt your head, it does that duochrome effect. So it's definitely a different formula. It almost feels wet to the touch, kind of like it's bouncy. It's not so much powdery as all of the other highlighter shades that they've released. And I actually do really like it. Like I said, I think it picks up so much better with a brush like the ABH brush compared to a fan brush. This one does have a little bit more of a kickback. So when you put your brush in there, make sure to tap off the excess. Like I said, these do have glitter. So if you guys aren't a fan of like the glittery effect or you feel like glitter emphasizes the texture on your face, I'm not sure if this is going to be a palette for you, but if you're like me and you really don't mind, especially because it's not super chunky glitter, it's very finely milled glitter, I don't feel like it does anything weird on my face. I feel like it still sits beautifully on top of my face, so I have no problem whatsoever, but that's definitely just a personal preference. Like I said, you do get 6 pans and they're very unique. These are very like, the silver in here has a pink shift. The gold in here has like a pinkish shift. So everything is kind of leaning more towards the pinky purple side. So if you are somebody who likes very neutral tones, like I said, this is probably going to be a con for you. But if you like playing with color, if you find like this is going to be something that you would wear on the daily basis, or just when you want a nice little pop of color, this is beautiful. They did a beautiful job on this. This is definitely one of the products that has not disappointed me. Like most of them, I really like their products, their formulas, and I like that this one is a tad bit different. I found that the Aurora Glow Kit, I don't use it that much just because they are a little bit more of a chunky glitter compared to these. These are definitely more finely milled, and what I like is that you get a good color selection. So there's definitely a color in here for every skin tone, and you're just going to be able to play with it. And if there's something that's a little bit too deep for you, or it's not complementing your skin tone as a highlighter, it's beautiful as eyeshadow. These glide on, you could pack it on the lid and it looks beautiful, beautiful. I have done that. I like putting it on my brow bone, on the inner corner, a little bit on the cupid's bow, and they look beautiful. So this is just definitely something that is very universal, that is going to flatter a lot of different skin tones, and it's multi-purpose. So if you're traveling, you can take this if you want like more of a glittery thing, and you could take a small little neutral toned palette and you're set. So I really like this. I feel like the size, it's basically the size as the Nicole Guerrero one, like I said, so it's perfect. It's not bulky. I love the packaging. Like this holographic packaging is beautiful. This is very popular right now, like the holographic theme, so it's really, really nice to see it, and it's just so like classy and sleek. I love it so much. But that's basically what I think about it, guys. I truly like it. I truly think this is something that I would definitely purchase again, or purchase a backup of. I'm not entirely sure if it's limited edition. I don't think it is, but I'll have to double check. I'll do my research and I'll leave it in the description box down below. Like I said, it's $45. Let's stop talking and apply this bad boy. So I'm gonna apply one shade. I'm gonna completely clean it off, clean my brush. I'm gonna clean it with the spray cleaner, just so there's like no compromising of the colors, and then we'll go through the entire palette like that. So without further ado, let's try on the Dream Glow Kit. And those were the swatches, guys. Aren't they so beautiful? I did pack them on a little bit heavier than usual, but that's obviously because I want to show you guys the true colors. I want to show you guys how it look against my skin tone, just because remember, everybody's skin tone and undertone are different, so the colors will pull a little bit different on you. So keep that in mind. But I did want to show you heavier swatches just so you guys could see how beautiful they are and their true duochrome nature. And honestly, I love them. I feel like this has to be my second favorite out of the entire Glow Kit collection she has released. This is my second favorite. First off, of course, you guys know nobody beats Sun Dipped Glow Kit. That is my baby, but this one is definitely in second place because the colors are beautiful, yet very wearable. Like, I am drenched. I feel like I am drenched in this beautiful purple one called Unicorn, and I love it. I seriously love it. I think it's beautiful. My favorite ones in here are definitely Wish, Unicorn, and Sunshine. Let me just go ahead and do some finger swatches for you guys. These are definitely my three favorite. I feel like they are super beautiful. Like you can see, they're very gold and pretty, and they're just really, really nice. This one right here is Wish, this is Unicorn, and this is Sunshine. They are stunning. Regal also comes into that category just because it is like a very soft, like peachy gold. I love it so much. So those are definitely my favorites. Like you can see, I have the boldest, brightest one on. This is Unicorn. It's the most purple one, and it's not crazy. Like, it's just beautiful. I applied a little bit more here just because it could be like a blush topper, but that's completely up to you guys. The way you guys want to play with it, I'm sure it'll look beautiful on you. This is available at Sephora, at Ulta, and Macy's, and you can get it on the ABH website. Remember the little perk about the brush. I think that's a great investment. You guys saw how evenly it picked it up. I think it's great. That's basically it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think of the swatches. Did you pick this up? Do you love it as much as I do? Let me know. I would love to hear feedback from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye!